Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Today I'm going to work on one of the stools that my daughter used to be using it. It's a Barbie stool and she's not using it anymore because she's grown now. So I'm going to give a new look to this and I'm going to put some nice pillow top and also going to paint the metallic parts, maybe white. I'm thinking white or gray. So I'm going to paint that and cover it with a pillow and then maybe like a fur or something. So I'm going to give a new look to it and so I can use it around the house. So this is one of the project I want to give a new look to. And also she gave me last Mother's Day this nice flower pot and I left it on my backyard, so it's got like faded away. So I'm going to paint this one as well and give a new look to it because it's a keepsake, so I don't want to throw this away. So these are the two things I'm going to paint and I come back. So while we were gone, I just painted the stool, the metallic part of the stool, as I said that I'm going to paint. So I painted black, the chalkboard paint that I got from Dollar Tree, black color. So I painted that to the metallic parts, and also I painted the flower part that I showed you that was like kind of distressed, not looking good. So I painted the same color, chalkboard paint, black. And then the embossed part of the flower part, this had some nice dots in it, so I just highlighted it with this white paint, apple barrel white. So, and I also using this dotting tool for the nail art, I just dotted around the flowers. I kind of I can say like maybe mandala art that I wanted. I'm inspired by that, and I gave the dots higher to lower. So I just wanted to highlight those flowers. They're so pretty. So I'm also going to decorate with some pearls and this pearl string. So this is the art that I'm going to give for this flower pot. And for this stool, I was thinking to put a pillow. This pillow I got from Dollar Tree, the gray pillow. The pillow goes like this. Let me show how it goes. The pillow goes on the top like this, and then I have some microfiber cloth for the car section of Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to I'm going to cover this with a soft fabric, and also I'm going to decorate with the boa. I got two color boas, lavender color and also violet color. So I'll see which one looks better on this stool, and then I'm going to decorate the stool like that. So yeah, these are the two things I'm going to work on. So let's start working. it, guys. I just stuck the pearls in the center to highlight these flowers, and also it's got like two ridges to it, so I thought like I'll put like a two-layer pearl string in there. So yeah, I just stuck the pearl string around it and I cleared all the glue strings. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. I'm going to put some indoor plants in it maybe, or maybe I'll put some my makeup brushes in it. So yeah, I'm going to use it well. So I'm very happy how it turned out. The black and white is so beautiful looking together. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed too. So let's get into other project. there is a final outcome, you guys. This is my daughter's Barbie stool converted to a stool that is useful. Maybe we can put our legs on it, or maybe she can put around her vanity. Now that she saw all the boas stuck to it and the white fur going on it, she loved it. She wants back in her room now. So yeah, I'm happy about it that she's gonna use it. So yeah, maybe I'll put her around her vanity. So all I did was stuck that microfiber cloth which is found in the car section in Dollar Tree, and the pillow is from Dollar Tree, the boa is from Dollar Tree. So it's complete Dollar Tree project, you guys. So I stuck the microfiber with the glue gun and the lavender color won the contest, so I put the lavender color boa around it. And yeah, I like it how it turned out. And this, we talked about it, this is the flower pot that my daughter gave me for Mother's Day. So I also gave a nice look to it, so I can use it around the house as well. So these are the two things I wanted to share in this project. So I hope you like it too. I enjoyed it a lot. I hope you enjoyed it along with me. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like, share, and see you in the next video.